Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to talk about this device right here, the RECPOINT Note AI voice recorder. I am also going to unbox it, test it, and show you how it actually works in real life. So, let's start with the unboxing. Inside the box, you get the recorder, a cable, and the basic accessories. So my first impression, it's very slim and lightweight. It actually feels really premium in hand. So what is this device for? Basically, it records audio and then use AI to transcribe and summarize everything for you. So instead of writing notes, the device does it automatically. To use all the features, you connect it to the RECPOINT app on your phone. This is where you can see your recordings, transcriptions, and summaries. The app is very simple and easy to use. You just record and the AI organizes everything for you. I've been using it for meetings, ideas, and content planning, and honestly, it helps me stay focused and instead of worrying about notes. The transcription is very accurate and the summaries save a lot of times. Another cool thing is that it supports multiple languages. So it's great if you work with different people or travel. I think this is perfect for students, creators, or anyone who wants to stay organized. At first, I didn't think I needed something like this. But after using it, it actually makes a big difference. It's one of those tools that saves time without you even notice. So yeah, if you're looking for a smarter way to record and organize your ideas, this is definitely worth. Check it out. So guys, thank you very much for watching, and I see you in the next video.